Mujumbe wa bunge ya West Mogirango Muske Stephen Mogaka nigaruko bole wachase komiti ya bunge nene weso kibene helieteneto bolindi kwane kibuna nkubwatika roboti goro yebikorwa bya bauni okoboro ko bolindi na boigo chibura bure cyo chabere chikwane kiwa aseme sangrekano na boigo asamatanga anene asorongoro wagusi okwana se bunge nene omubasore ro Muske Mogaka igoboiga kwa nairoko gandira gukuranda kuboro bwa kansa ho bairo musigo mulito gochi asaba na inchi.
Honorable Speaker, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order number 44-2C, I rise to request for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Administration and Internal Security regarding the rising incidents of political violence and insecurity across the country and particularly in my Nyamira County. The country has recently experienced an alarming increase in incidents of violence between rival political factions during public gatherings, particularly during funeral ceremonies. These occasions have increasingly been disrupted by organized goons, resulting in chaos, destruction of property, fatalities, injuries, and heightened insecurity. Mr. Speaker, for instance, a seemingly organized group of unknown origin disrupted a funeral ceremony at Endereti in Omachoge Borabu constituency. 5th of July 2026, another funeral gathering for Mama Jemima Mokogi, my own aunt, conducted at Nyamira Comprehensive School in West Mogirango constituency was disrupted. On the 24th July 2026, yet another funeral gathering was violently disrupted by another unknown organized group. Not to mention, Mr. Speaker, that earlier on, a funeral of 24 deaths arising out of a road accident was disrupted at Rangenyo in my own constituency, just like another funeral for a wife of Pastor Sami Ongondo was disrupted at Yanchore by organized goons. And Honorable Keme's county neighbors Nyamira County. So her problems in Kericho County extend to Nyamira County. I am begging that when the chair of the departmental committee renders a report on Kericho, he goes a step further and also includes Nyamira County so that we are working together on the same path.